Hey guys, it's Alex with Sena, and today I'm going to show you how to update your Impulse or Striker. For this video, we're going to be using the Impulse, but it works out for the Striker the same. So you're going to need 4 different things to perform this update. You're going to need your smartphone, you're going to need your USB power and data cable with your magnetic USB-C adapter, and you're going to need your Sena device, either the Impulse or the Striker. One thing you guys have to keep in mind is that you have to have your smartphone and your Sena device paired, either if it's the Striker or the Impulse. If you guys don't know how to pair it, we'll leave a link in the description down below showing you how to pair your device. So for step 2, you're going to find a power source for your USB power and data cable, and also connect your magnetic USB-C connection. And then you want to make sure that you download the latest Sena motorcycle app, which you can find at Sena.com. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to step 3. Go ahead and open up your Sena motorcycle app. So then you want to go to the top right corner and hit this gear for settings. And then you want to click on firmware update. Now it's asking you to connect your helmet. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and power up the Impulse helmet. Now, as you can see, it's turned on right now, and as soon as I hook up the magnetic USB-C adapter, it's going to turn off automatically. So one other thing I want to describe is the LED description of different LED status lights. So this LED right here is called the Charging and Wi-Fi Status LED. Solid red means it's charging and disconnected from the Wi-Fi access point. When it's fast blinking and red, it means it's charging and searching for Wi-Fi access point. When it's just blinking red, it means it's charging and connected to the Wi-Fi access point. Now, if it's solid blue, it means it's fully charged and disconnected from the Wi-Fi access point. Now, when it's fast blinking in blue, it means it's fully charged and searching for the Wi-Fi access point. And when it's just blinking blue, it means it's fully charged and connected to the Wi-Fi access point. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to step 5. So it's asking us to connect our Impulse to the smartphone, which we already did. Go ahead and hit next. So now it's asking us to exit the app and go into our Wi-Fi settings. So let me explain it real quick. So this helmet right here has internal Wi-Fi capabilities. So basically it's gonna be sending a Wi-Fi signal out that the smartphone has to receive and connect from the smartphone to the helmet via Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and do that. On the iPhone, you're gonna exit, go into settings, you go into Wi-Fi. And what you wanna do is, you can see right here it's checked, it's the Sena router here at the office. That's our regular router for our internet. Well, we want to get the Wi-Fi signal coming out of the helmet, which is right here, which is the Impulse. Go ahead and click on that. Wait till it connects. Okay, it's connected. Now we have to go back into the Sena motorcycle app and enter the password to our router to give this actual access to our router here at the office. So we're going to go ahead and find our router. Sometimes you have to hit refresh. There's our router, Sena. And then if you go down here, you can put your password. Click on it. You can type in your password, and they have a little eyeball right here where you could show your password. I'm going to do this off camera because this is a sensitive issue. We'll get back to you right now. So we typed in our password and hit continue. Let it connect. Okay, so the way you know that it's successfully connected is you're going to get the blinking normal light in blue. Either blue or in red. Since our device is fully charged, it's going to be blue. But not fast blinking, but normal blinking, which this is the normal blinking. The helmet has access to the router here at the office for internet. So now we don't even need the smartphone. The rest, you could do it with the helmet. All right, so now the app told us to check the status of the LED of the tail light. So you're going to see the tail light moving from left to right. It takes approximately 10 minutes to complete the update. When the update's completed, it's going to flash the tail light solid on and off, on and off. That's when you know it's completely updated. So for whatever reason, if you lose power or your kids disconnect your power supply as it's updating, it's not gonna corrupt the helmet, don't worry about it. Just reconnect it and it'll continue updating. No problems at all. So now that we configured the Impulse to our router, we no longer have to do that process again, long as we're using the same router for the future updates. All you're gonna need is your power and data cable and your USB-C magnetic adapter. So now that it's updated, you can look on your Sena motorcycle app since it's paired, and I'll show you the latest update. And you can see we have the latest update 1.2.3. So that's how you update the Impulse or the Striker. Either or, it's gonna work the same way. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Connected.